So I'm in the car and I'm reading this book, and for now I like it. It's like a rom-com something. In Tagalog we say kilig. So yeah, I love it. I can't wait to finish it.
So that's why I called it One Body, because it's the coexistence of sea creatures, humans, the body of water, and the moon. The full moon attracts water creatures to swim on the surface instead of deep down in the water. This is such a beautiful representation. But there is a little unpleasant thing happening. Much tourists coming to see up close the whale sharks. The migration path of the whale shark is disturbed. If you are going to swim with them, you are not supposed to touch, feed them. That's a big thing. No. But apparently, the business sector of the Bangka people to feed them in order for the whale sharks to stay longer. So there is a little disadvantage. I hope, most especially the Filipino Bangka industry, should set an example.
Jefferson Villacruz.
Ano yung Apple Vision Pro. So, parang nag-create siya ng virtual reality. So, nag-create ka ng sarili mong environment. Pero in reality, nadi-detach ka dun sa reality. So, kapag tinitingnan mo yung view, malabo yung image. Pero kapag lumabot ka, so makikita mo yung details. Parang the more you use technology, the more you detach yourself within the real environment.
She's the artist, Saloni. And this is called Racconta del Caffè.
It's the history of Batangas coffee. Kasi in 1700s, dinala nila ang plantation sa Lipa. And then in the 1800s, Lipa was the fourth largest producer and supplier in the world. She's my friend and actress, si Miss Althea Vega.
She's beautiful.
Thank you. I will tell her. Here's my card.
Thank you. Gold leaf. Nakita.
Bigger than
What is this?
Mozzarella, mami.
mozzarella.
Cheese.
Wow.
This is my first time to see pizza like this.
Ta 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 na na.
Sipol sneakers.
Bye bye.
Sexy kisses is in the shade for my lips. Yeah, yeah, my sex herself is the only air that she breathes.
She's sad because now we are leaving. And so that's it. But now I'm happy because we're going to eat! Chiba!
Siamo proprio delle foodie girl.
Foodie girl. Oh, che luce!
Wow, è flash food.
And we're going to eat. Oh, this is my car! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, Ken! Hi. I just want to tell you that I was going to uni in Bergamo, but today it's raining a lot. I mean, a lot. And this is the sign that tells me that I need to go back home because, first of all, I took 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes to arrive to the autostrada. Usually it took me 3 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. Second sign is that Mother Nature is totally angry and just want to pour water. So here I am going back home and there's a lot of traffic. It's raining a lot. So much. Look at that. Look at that! Look how high is that? I'm having a cup of tea. Yes. It's 6 p.m. and we are here at the parking lot near the supermarket. Chin chin. Te? Te? going to rain, I think. This is pistachio and stracciatella, and it's so good.